Good morning, student. Today we will read chapter 3, that is physical education. Now, in this chapter we will also discuss about the relationship between physical education and education. As worldly wisdom increased, the importance of physical education has also been realized. Physical education is important for physical as well as mental progress. It cannot be underestimated. The main aim of physical education is to enrich physical strength and sharpen memory and bring them to full perfect maturity. Physical education plays an important role. All learning that involves physical activity and movement makes a permanent impact on the mind. When we act on what we hear and learn, learning becomes stimulative and spontaneous. Physical education helps to develop a healthy body, correct figure, sharp memory and good conduct also. It teaches us to become a good citizens, good leaders and to control ourselves through adjustment. This helps us to lead a meaningful life. Physical education involves physical exercises, healthy competition, true sportsmanship qualities and correct code of conduct and behavior also. To a large extent, activities are vastly more important than theory in the classroom, because activities enhance our ideas. Through the various activities of physical education, everyone can develop their ideas. So, physical education is very important for everyone. Physical education is important for physical as well as mental growth and improvement by nature. All the sports and activities are enjoyable. Physical education is perhaps most important for a body, mind and spirit growth and well-being. It also teaches the whole body to reach perfection. Now we will discuss about the relationship between physical education and education. This point. Physical education is education learning in school made complete. It has been said that a healthy body indicates a healthy mind. This means if we have healthy body, then only we have healthy mind, because unhealthy mind is present in unhealthy body. The truth of this statement is slowly realized. Education without activity is incomplete. In all kind of activities, the involvement of mind cannot be separated. As we know that all the actions are the reflection of the mind. Therefore, studies inside the classroom, playing in the playground develop our mind and makes our body healthy. Physical education make better and brighter student. So, physical education and education are closely related to each other, walking hand in hand to prepare us to face the world. In other words, we can say that physical education and education are the two sides of a same coin. So, student, read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.